So, preserved lemons are now a month old, which is about the right time that they should be ready. And I did notice the other day that they expanded, and they weren't just covered. The lemons at the top, so like the lemons had expanded and sucked up some of the moisture, which is kind of normally when you're fermenting things, like sauerkraut. Do you ferment sauerkraut? I can't remember. But when you're making sauerkraut, you kind of know that it's ready when the cabbage sucks the excess liquid back into itself. So that's how you kind of know that the cabbage is totally ready. So I'm presuming it's the same for lemons. So let's have a try and see what they're like. They kind of look like they should be. They look like they should be. Let's just. That looks like it's ready, doesn't it? That looks like how it's supposed to be. Let's get a knife. Have a look. It's going to be really salty. So I haven't decided what. I kind of have decided what I'm going to do with them. Well, I'm going to give some away as gifts. But I've got a dish that I'm going to do. So that looks like it's ready. I have stuck my finger in the top, and it was rather salty. That's really salty. Ugh, that certainly needs cooking. That certainly needs to be put in something to cook. And then is that ready? That's still really salty. I'm not going to swallow that. Ugh. But that tastes exactly how I imagined it would. And they've gone kind of syrupy. So it's almost like they're candied, but there's no sugar in that. There was just the salt. So they're ready. It takes a month. And then they're done. And then we'll have to see. Obviously we need to, once you've taken one out, you'll have to push them down underneath the liquid so that they stay preserved. And then what I reckon, you leave them out, like don't refrigerate them while you're making them. Then I presume that once they are pickled, preserved, then you can put them in the fridge or somewhere cooler, because they have been at room temperature while they're pickling. But there you go. First time I've done them, and a success. And I'm going to use them and give lots away. So I don't know if people will be grateful of my gift of preserved lemons, but we'll find out. But there we go. A success.